Welcome to Happiness Blanket channel. Subscribe this channel so that you may get our new selection from the world best videos. Now please like, share and comment this video. We are thankful to the video producers for their reuse permission.
Did you know that your food needs change as you age? So in this video, I am going to explain mainly about keeping your bones strong, healthy heart and steady weight. So our nutritional needs change throughout the different stages of life. As we get older, we need less of some nutrients such as iron and grains, and we need more of others like calcium and healthy fats, mainly to accommodate the changing hormone levels and metabolisms. So let us take a look at how our diet may need to change from the age of 50 onwards. So first let us concentrate the age as well as the gender, then we will talk about the food. Now this is for the age of 50 to 70 individuals and the gender is woman. So for these candidates, so boost the dairy intake. The average age for the woman to hit menopause overall is 51. At this time, the levels of the hormone estrogen begin to fall, resulting in increased bone loss and may lead to osteoporosis. As a result, women's dairy intake needs almost double in this time to ensure you are getting enough calcium. So daily serves should increase from 2.5 serves a day to 4 serves after menopause. It's a significant increase. And I see so many women who are postmenopausal who don't have nearly enough dairy in their diet. They are often worried to do so because they think it will cause additional weight gain. But often it actually helps your weight loss instead. That is what all of you have to remember. And you have to pick your protein. After menopause, women no longer need to replace iron lost each month through menstruation. So iron and protein needs drop a little, going from 2.5 to 2 serves a day. So we have the latest suggestions from the nutritionists all over the world. They say that replacing some of your red meat protein with fish and dairy is pretty important at this time. Mainly because the fish has omega-3 fatty acids which are good for the heart health, and the dairy products which are the calcium good for the bone health. So after the age of 50, the recommended serves of grains and cereals also drop from 6 to 4 serves a day. From the latest recommendations, we can say that choosing mainly the whole grain options like wholemeal bread, brown rice, oats and quinoa is important to maintain your healthy state of your body as well as the brain. Now let us concentrate on the men between the age of 50 to 70. For these individuals, it is important to downsize meals if needed. Kilojoule needs for men and women. So remember a point that kilojoule needs for men and women decreases with age as metabolism slows down and activity levels commonly drop. So the nutritionists from the renowned institutes noticed men in particular tend to stick to the same meal sizes as they did when they were younger. You can work out your daily kilojoule needs with an online calculator and bump up healthy fats. One of the biggest health challenges men face as they age is the risk of heart disease. So healthy oils for cardiovascular health become even more important. So you have to replace trans fats found in deep fried and baked foods and saturated fats found in the butter, meat and coconut oil with the healthy fats with those found in the olive oil, nuts, avocado when you can. So this is what men and women has to concentrate when your age is 50 and above and up to 70 years of age. Now, what you have to do in your 70s for men and women, common. At this time you have to fiber up whenever you are consuming any meal. So maintaining healthy bowel function is more challenging at the age of 70 because the muscles of the overall body, skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, the muscles of the colon become less efficient. So it is important to try to have plenty of water and plenty of fibrous vegetables and fresh fruit to help the healthy bowel movements. And when we talk especially about men, you have to concentrate on the calcium here. Even though men don't experience the same sharp hormonal changes as women, their need for the calcium does increase past their 70s. The guidelines recommend that the men should increase their daily serves from 2.5 serves to 3.5 serves a day after 70 years of age. Now, if you are in 80s, this is also common for men and women now. It is very important at this age to maintain enough weight. Being overweight can sometimes become a very bigger issue for someone who is over 80 because appetites can drop off owing to age and medications. The recommended body index actually increases after the age of 65. So rather than thinking about weight loss, you have to focus on eating balanced diet. But you have to speak to your nutritionist or the general practitioner before you make any changes in your meal. Take the proper advice from your nutritionist or from the general physician and be healthy and stay safe.